Hello friends, this is Brito. Welcome to RB English Academy. In this video, we are about to discuss a topic, paraphrasing. Let's get into the session. And here I have given you a short definition about the topic, paraphrasing. A paraphrase is a restatement of something written or spoken using different words. Paraphrasing is nothing but we have to restatement the given documents in our own style. To put it simply, it is to write in your own words. We have to convert it in our own words. It is very useful when doing research and it helps to avoid plagiarism. During the time of research, we can use paraphrasing. It helps us to avoid plagiarism. Here I have given you few steps to paraphrase a given document. Read and reread the passage to be paraphrased. First, we have to read the passage again and again, which we have to be paraphrased. Think about the main ideas and details of the passage. The second step is try to understand the main ideas and details which you have given in the passage. Write the gist of main idea and details in your own words. The next step is try to write the main idea of the passage in your own words. Compare your paraphrase with the original. The fourth step is compare your writings with the original. And finally, if you borrowed any unique terms from original, use quotation marks. If you borrowed anything from the original document, use quotation mark to highlight the original words. And here I have given you an example. The first one is original. Giraffe is like acacia leaves and hay, and they can consume 75 pounds of food a day. This is the original statement, and here I have paraphrased the same in my own words. A giraffe can eat up to 75 pounds of acacia leaves and hay daily. The meaning of the sentence should not be changed, but we can make use of the words in our own style. And here I have given you another example. It is truth universally acknowledged that a single man in possession of a good fortune must be in want of a wife. This is the original statement, and I have paraphrased it as everyone agrees on this point that a prosperous man needs to have a wife. This is the paraphrase of the original statement. Actually, the meaning should not be changed, but we can alterate the words. I hope you all have understand the term paraphrasing. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you.